Allergy sufferers, did you know the type of flooring you have can make a big difference in the amount of allergens in your home? Rugs and carpet have many pros, however, they are major particle collectors and can compound allergic and asthmatic reactions. These particles are not easily removed without deep cleaning. Hard floor surfaces, like hardwood and stone, are much easier to clean and don't trap particles that cause allergic reactions like dust mites and pet dander. With hard floors, you can also see dust and hair accumulate, which typically leads to more frequent sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping. This cuts down on how many particles are released back into the air and into your lungs. If you don't want to rip out the carpet just yet, there are still ways to keep allergens at bay. Regularly deep cleaning your carpets and rugs, especially with steam, can flush out contaminants and reduce buildup. HEPA filtration systems can also help filter out these particles from the air that would otherwise settle back into your carpet and rug fibers. Also, routine air duct cleaning can limit the circulation of allergens throughout your home. If you need help with deep cleaning your carpets, rugs, or air ducts, reach out to us at Aladdin Cleaning and Restoration. And to keep up with more cleaning tips, be sure to hit subscribe.